Do you want to send USDT with zero fees? I'm going to show you how to bridge to the Plasma network in under 5 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Ninja Coder here. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. We're going to be diving into some of the hottest blockchain networks right now. Today we're going to be talking about Plasma Network, a layer 1 blockchain that is specifically built for stable coin payments. We're talking about zero fee transactions, lightning fast transactions, and full EVM compatibility. It's compatible with your Meta wallet, your Trust wallet, etc. Okay, but here's the thing: you can't just magically appear on the Plasma network. You need to bridge your assets there first. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how I bridge my Base Ethereum to XPL using Stargate Finance. Okay, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to add Plasma to your network, to your MetaMask or any other EVM compatible wallet, how to use Stargate to bridge your assets, and some pro tips to save on fees. Okay, now before we jump into this bridging process, let me give you a quick rundown on what Plasma actually is. It's a brand new layer 1 blockchain that is launched with over 2 billion in liquidity. That's huge for the networks. I was there when it launched its token XPL at around 0.2, 0.3. Right, it's reached a high of $1.6. Right now it's floating around $0.9. Okay, so you're going to be able to make USD transfers without any gas fees. Okay, so that's massive for the crypto world. Okay, so now before we start, here are some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need an EVM compatible wallet. I'm using MetaMask. So you also I'm currently on the Base mainnet with some Ethereum. Okay, so you're going to also need some tokens to be able to use to bridge. I advise you test out, if you want to bridge all your assets to the XPL network, you test out using just some crypto, just some of it, and test it out first. And then when everything goes well, you do the bulk of your tokens. Okay, all right. So now let's get started. Now before we start, we have to add the Plasma network to our MetaMask. Now, in this place here, you can see I'm on the Base mainnet, and you can see all the popular networks over here. So, how do we add it to our MetaMask? You're going to go over to ChainList.org. Now, when you go over to ChainList.org, you're going to see a search bar over here. You can see I already have the Plasma mainnet here, but if you don't see it, you can just search on the network Plasma, and you're going to see your Plasma mainnet. Okay, you're going to connect your wallet. Okay, so my wallet is currently connected. I've connected my MetaMask wallet before, so it just took a little time to load up. So now that my wallet is connected to the MetaMask wallet, I'm going to add the Plasma mainnet to my MetaMask. So you're just going to click on this button and add it to your MetaMask. Okay, then when you check your MetaMask, you can see right here, I'm already added to the Plasma mainnet, and it's going to be under custom network. And if you want to add yours manually instead of using the chainlist.org, you can always go to your networks from here and go to custom and then add custom network. And then the details you need to fill, you can just use these details: Plasma mainnet, this default RPC URL, your chain ID, currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. Okay, and then you save it, and then you have your Plasma mainnet. So now that we have our Plasma mainnet, we have to convert our, let me go back to my Base mainnet. We have to convert our Ethereum that is on our Base mainnet to our Plasma um, chain. Okay, so how do we do that? We go over to Stargate Finance. I'm going to put the links of all this in the description. Okay, now Stargate Finance, I'm using it because it's the official recommended bridge by Plasma themselves. It has over $430 million in total locked value, so it's super reliable, guys. So I want to go to Stargate Finance and then connect your wallet. So I'm going to be connecting my MetaMask wallet. Once my wallet is connected, I'll be able to see all my assets. So this base here, this base network, my Ethereum, I'm going to convert it to XPL, okay, or wrapped Ethereum. So I'm going to come over to here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to say from. you can see it just shows up, or if it doesn't show up, you can just search the token here. So Base, so the Base network Ethereum, I have $4. So I'm going to click that, and then I want to convert it to XPL. If you don't see XPL, you can just search XPL in this mini search bar and it will come up. Okay, so I want to convert it to XPL. This is the chain, or I can convert it to wrapped Ethereum on the Plasma chain. Okay, so I can either convert it to wrapped Ethereum on the Plasma chain, or I can convert it to XPL on the Plasma chain. Okay, so I'm going to pick XPL, and then I'm going to max it. Now, the reason why you should avoid maxing is because you're still going to pay some transfer fees. So if I say transfer here, it's probably not going to go because I don't have anything left for transfer fees. You can see here it's saying there's no network fee. I'm unable to pay the network fee. So I'm going to cancel, and I'm going to come back here. And you can see this is $4, right? So I'm going to reduce the tokens here. Okay, to leave just a little for transfer fees. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it to this, my XPL. I'm going to say go. I can see now, okay, it still doesn't go through. I still don't have enough. I'm just going to minus that one. Say transfer. Okay, so now the transfer can go through because I have enough gas fees to pay for the transaction. Okay, so I'm going to confirm, and you can see your transaction was submitted and it's complete. So you can see it's instantaneous. Now if I check my MetaMask and I switch to my Plasma network, you can see I have $4 of XPL tokens. Okay, so this is how you can bridge your assets from one chain to another chain. From any chain you want, you can use Stargate Finance to bridge your tokens. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're covering all the latest blockchain networks and DeFi protocols, and also building amazing cryptocurrency projects. Okay, now drop a comment below and let me know what you're planning to do on the Plasma network and what other blockchain tutorials you want to see on this channel. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.